There is no such thing as safe plastic. These chemicals interfere with the functioning of our endocrine glands, thus affecting our thyroid functioning, moods, sleep patterns, sex drive, and much more. In this video, we are going to talk about 3 household products we all use but are unaware of the health risks they pose if used regularly. So continue watching to find out what those harmful products are and what are the alternatives. So it's 6 a.m. and you're rushing about the kitchen preparing your family's favorite food to take to school and work. The new and colorful plastic tiffin boxes are open and all ready to be filled in. The supermarket had a good deal on these boxes last week and you decided to give your family a surprise with the new tiffin boxes. But did you know that keeping food in plastic is harmful? We use plastics everywhere in our kitchen. We use them to store food and spices, store water in the fridge, or take them with us in our bags. We use plastic cutting boards, mixing bowls, plates, glasses, and even cups. Plastics have become the choice of millions, mainly because of their convenience. We use them because they don't break easily, they're lightweight and therefore easy to carry, and most importantly, they are much cheaper than metal or glass and seemingly harmless. Even though plastics have multiple benefits, it is dangerous to health. So what makes plastic dangerous? Plastic containers are made with a chemical called bisphenol, a BPA. This makes them harder and heat resistant. It is these chemicals in the plastic that can leach into the food and beverages stored in them. Leaching occurs even faster and to a greater degree when the plastic is exposed to the heat. You may then ask, aren't BPA-free products a good alternative? Think again. There is no such thing as safe plastic. Plastics contain a multitude of chemicals including bisphenols A, S, F called BPA, BPS, BPF respectively. These chemicals interfere with the functioning of our endocrine glands, thus affecting our thyroid functioning, moods, sleep patterns, sex drive, and much more. Prolonged use of these plastics can lead to health problems such as metabolic disorders, cancer, diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and reduced fertility. So what are the alternatives? Don't worry, there are plenty. Steel, glass, and wood are the best alternatives to plastic. These materials are non-leachable, non-reactive to food, environment-friendly, durable, and easy to clean. So next time, instead of picking up that fancy colorful plastic bottle, opt for a reusable stainless steel or a glass water bottle. Store leftover food in containers made of glass or wood. Switch kitchen utensils to stainless steel or glass. Use wooden cutting boards and wood spatulas, bamboo spoons and bamboo bowls. You're back from work and you want a quick snack? You want to make yourself a fluffy omelette? You beat the eggs and get the onions and chilies ready and reach for the non-stick pan hanging on the rail. You don't want to use too much oil, so the non-stick pan is ideal, you think. But wait, have you ever stopped to think about how non-stick cookware works? Cooking on non-stick cookware has many benefits. The non-stick coating allows for cooking with less butter or oil and is easy to clean. It's been tested and made with the latest technology, so what's the issue? To know this, let's understand what makes the non-stick cookware non-sticky. Non-stick cookware has a coating of polytetrafluoroethyl, which is a plastic polymer also known as PTFE or Teflon. This allows the food to be cooked, browned or sauteed for a longer time without sticking to the base of the pan. This chemical is known to cause kidney and liver toxicity. Overheated non-stick cookware is linked with various disorders such as thyroid dysfunction and the destruction of immunity. It is known to be harmful to multiple body organs such as the lungs, kidney, and the liver. To further understand the far-reaching impact of using non-stick cookware, a study found that PTFE residuals were present even in the breast milk of nursing mothers. What are the alternatives to non-stick cookware? Without a doubt, stainless steel. Utensils made from stainless steel are non-toxic, durable and highly resistant to starches, and to some extent does not allow food to stick. The second alternative is cast iron, which was very commonly used earlier and is now making a comeback. It is durable, inexpensive, has a high heat capacity and is free of chemicals, and also adds a little iron content to your food. Best of all, it is non-stick too. Since cast iron can easily control heat, it is best for slow cooking. Another healthy alternative is the traditional clay pot. Clay pot cooking has numerous health benefits, like its ability to circulate steam through the food while it is being cooked. This provides plenty of moisture and means that you can cook with less oil and fat. Also, since clay is alkaline in nature, when you cook in it, the pH balance of food is neutralized and hence acts as a natural detox. You will be surprised to know that mud contains all the possible vitamins, even vitamin B12, thus making your food much more nutritious and also tastier. You want to pack up some food to send to a friend? Don't reach out for the aluminium foil. We all know that aluminium foil is commonly used to pack and wrap food and use it almost every day in some or the other way. It is also the go-to material for other things in the kitchen, like covering a baking surface and wrapping foods in the oven to prevent them from losing moisture while cooking. But be aware that aluminium foil has many side effects which can lead to major health problems. As per research, heat melts the foil and its particles get mixed with the food. This can increase the chances of getting Alzheimer's disease and even dementia. Researchers have found a high concentration of aluminium in the brain tissue of patients with Alzheimer's disease. Also, the use of aluminium can affect not only brain development in children, but also their overall growth. So, what are the alternatives to aluminium foil? Muslin is a very good alternative for packing food because it does not leach any chemicals into the food. It keeps the food warm and soft and has none of the side effects of the aluminium foil. Food can be safely packed in a muslin for as long as needed. Why aggravate health problems where there are none? Switch back to the traditional methods of using stainless steel, iron, brass and clay pots, which are good Ayurvedic practices.